Okay, this is my Blue Eddie, and it was $219 US. I bought it online. I paid for it. I've been using it quite a bit for charging my phones and testing it. Will it run one of our key machines? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's turning on the machine. Now, will it cut? Because that draws a lot of power. So let's see if we can cut a key. Here's the app. So it shows 35% power. We're using 95 watts. And like I said, I've been using this all week. This is the first time trying it on a key machine. Pretty impressive. There's no stalling, no nothing. It's working really, really well. So this is pretty impressive. So we use 3%. Now that's cutting one. We still have to cut the other side of the key, but we only went down 3% cutting. So let's say 6% to cut both sides. But this is unbelievable that this little inverter, this little solar battery pack or solar generator. So it's a Blue Eddie. It's model EB3A. It's 268 watts, but apparently it can handle like a 500 watt surge or something. This didn't even stall a nanosecond. So I love the app. The app is just amazing. So would this work for a locksmith? Yes, it will. I'm pretty impressed. If it runs this machine, it'll have shouldn't have any problems with any other key machines. Highly recommend it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.